Hi, I'm Dee Crawford. I'm president of Community Conscience. Community Conscience is a 501c3 corporation which owns and operates the Under One Roof Human Services Center on Hillcrest Drive in Thousand Oaks. And we give free rent to 11 nonprofit organizations that are located here in our building. This free rent allows them to use all of the funds that they raise for their own programs.
Telling our story is often difficult because it's one that people are just not used to seeing being done in a local community.
Community Conscience is a real godsend for our agency.
Community Conscience means everything to us.
Community Conscience has been great. We moved here a few years ago and we found that we have many more clients that are accessing our services.
It's very important to our community that there is a central location for many of these nonprofit organizations.
It's a blessing to be part of this organization because we all work together as a family.
There's a lot of synergy involved in this building.
It's hard enough for patients and clients to be able to maneuver the system and know how to access the resources in their communities.
We also refer people to the other services in the building, so it's a great hub of all the services that people use and people need.
Regardless of what our individual goals are, if we work with each other, that we can obtain, greater goals and objectives.
To have the resources all in one place, like Community Conscience, is just invaluable to the health and well-being of the community.
It's just an incredible service to the community, and we very much are very, very grateful for Community Conscience and all that they do for us and for the Conejo Valley.
We're saving the tenants here something in the neighborhood of $250,000 a year.
We've been in this beautiful building, the Under One Roof Human Services building, for 20 years.
Our ability to have rent-free space at Community Conscience enables us to provide the services to the community.
The rent in the area has really risen, and we are supported by donations, and so this has been great for us to have the free rent.
Otherwise, a significant greater portion of our profit would have to go to a rental space.
It would be prohibitive for us as a nonprofit to be able to do what we do.
If it were not for Community Conscience, I don't know how we could run our programs.
The free rent is wonderful. I don't know how we could be in existence without the free rent.
Therefore, we really, really value what we get from Community Conscience.
We're very grateful to Community Conscience and the board and people like Dave and Dee that allow us to be in this building.
Being able to be here is the key to our success.
They have been here for us, and they are part of the community as we are.
I see in the future, hopefully, perhaps bringing more agencies under our roof.
Hopefully we're going to meet a lot of new people and get the word out that Community Conscience is here to help.